What's going on, everyone? Just doing a speaker swap out on this B6A4 2003. Figured that I'd give a demonstration on how to do it the proper way without any cutting, just using the original parts. So to start off, take off this trim piece. Just pops off from this side first. There's 4 screws up top, and there is one on the bottom. Got it. Nothing underneath, so it should just pop out. One quick tug. Sewed everything off. You pop these clips out to the speaker. The front one goes up to your tweeter, which is right there. And the back one is the main power source to the speaker. Take them both out. And if you have some type of needle nose pliers, just take this wire holder off. It may or may not snap. Usually the older cars, they snap. Easy as that. And then there are 3 Phillips. Once all 3 are off, simply just pull the speaker out. Swap over to the bench. I'm using the Alpine Type S. They're a direct fit. 6.5 inches all around. I'm going to show you the right way to do it. People normally just cut this with a blade, and then we'll use a circular saw or something to cut the metal bracket, but I'm going to show you a simpler way, or the correct way, if you will. So you take your T20 Torx, 4 screws, right there. There's glue right around it. So you grab a fairly thin flathead screwdriver and you just pry. Wiggle it around a little bit. You will need 2 screwdrivers. It's a lot easier. Easy as that. now you can use the factory harness. You don't have the car splice. See? Simple as that. Garbage. So the new one, depending which speakers you get, will have the rear pins on the back, which these will go to, and you can notice that one is smaller, one's bigger on both. You'll just have to crimp these just a little bit so it gets a nice snug fit. This is also all the same for all the doors. Simple as that. And then you just line up this hole, or any oval hole, with this little rubber seal. And then you have your 4 factory holes, which you put the 4 factory screws in. I'm also replacing the tweeters. You don't have to, it's personal preference, but being that the car is fairly old, I figured I'd replace them now. There was nothing wrong with them. I just figured being I was in there, might as well have just upgraded them. I wrapped a felt tape around it so it's more of a snug fit. My speaker set came with these ohm resistor for the tweeter, which has a male and female connector on one side, and on the other side it's both female connectors. So you just connect these two. Simple as that. Bring everything over. You put the speaker in first just to get it out of the way. It might seem intimidating to do this, but it's actually fairly simple once you get the first one down and realize where everything goes. You'll put the connector back in the last one in the back. The front one will be used, but not with the stock harness. You won't be using that anymore because you are going to be replacing the tweeter, which is right here. Came out of there. Simply just pry it and it'll just pop out just like that. You have this empty shell. Pop the new one with the felt tape around it. Pop it in. Good as well. The harness that plugged into the stock tweeter you could just leave dangling or secure somewhere in case you're scared of it rattling, which it won't rattle. Resecure the speaker grill back in. And then we take the 2 prongs from the tweeter harness. As soon as I run this new wire so it doesn't rattle. I'll just plug it right in there. Small one on the left side, right side. Once you get it on there, just wiggle, and then the bigger side on the left side. Simple as that. Put the door panel back on, plug everything back in before you tighten everything down. Turn on the car and make sure the speakers are all working properly. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and I'll get back to you.